Well, hello there once again, motorsport fans. It's been a while, but you are very welcome in this video. Today I'm quickly going to show you the best way I've found over the last couple of years how to install piston circlips. Had a lot of trouble, different techniques, been stuck down for hours sometimes, but this is the best way I found to do it, and usually in a couple of minutes I've got them in both on the bench here and the other side on the bike. So I've got a YZ65 obviously used piston here, 40 or 50 hours, Circlip, and what you need, depending on what piston you're doing, you want a little socket. So this is a 5/16, and that fits in nicely in here, as you can see, right? So that's going to push the Circlip in once it's close to where it needs to go. And you want something rubber to push down. So I use these flush cutters right here, okay? See, it's really rubbery. See, it's quite rubber, so you want it to be able to grip. So I found these perfect for doing what needs to be done. You know, different plastics like this here are quite rigid. This would not be suitable, okay? And even here I've got a screwdriver here, even the plastic just isn't that rubbery. You want something really, really rubbery and grippy. So I find this the perfect thing. So what you want to do, get the piston, you want to put the Circlip in at about 12 o'clock. So what you want to do, you want to get it right in the groove, just like that. See, it's already started there. So it's already in there. And you want to push down with your thumb. Okay? So it's lined up in the groove. We're then going to get our bit of rubber pliers or whatever you want to use, and we're going to force it in like this. Okay? Just force it like that. And that is halfway in already, okay? So we just pushed it in, okay? Then we're going to get our socket. Going to put it on top as such, make sure the Circlip doesn't fly out. And we're going to push him in just like that. Okay, make sure for the click, there you go, you hear that click, and it's in. Okay, that's about 1 o'clock, but I would believe that that's suitable. That's all you need to do. Okay, so what you're doing, you're putting it in, you make sure at the very start you're in the groove at the top there. Okay, and you're holding it, you're getting the pliers or a bit of rubber, and you're pushing it in like that. So using your thumb to hold it down and push it in. I used to use my nail trying to force it in like that. I'd be stuck for half an hour sometimes trying to get it in. And the other thing I've done in the past is try to lever it like that. And that's not a good idea. You can end up damaging your piston. So that's the way I do it. That's the best way I've found. Give it a go. Any other techniques? Let me know what you guys think. All the best, guys. See you on the next one.